Holiday baking will be just around the corner. And if you're going to make your own vanilla extract, this is the time to do it because it has to sit for 6-ish months before it's good to use. So here's the deal. You need some vanilla beans, you need some glass bottles that close tight, and you need some alcohol. You have choices in your alcohol. Read the caption, it'll tell you more. But I make some that have vodka and some out of bourbon for a smokier flavor. And let's see how you do it. The first thing you're going to do is slice your vanilla beans lengthwise. You just want to open up that vanilla to the world. These smell so good. Next thing I'm going to do is put 5 beans in each one of these, 5 or 6. It just depends on how many I've cut up. I'll even it out. I'm not exact like that. Have you ever bought vanilla? It's outrageous. This is so much cheaper. Next step is pouring a nice long drink of vodka into each one of the 4 bottles of vodka I'm making them. You're just gonna fill it up. Cover the beans. Same thing, we just poured some Kentucky bourbon or Tennessee whiskey in the next ones. And that's all there is to it. Put it in a dark spot, shake it up every so often, and then around Christmas time, you will have the most delicious homemade vanilla extract you have ever tasted. You have choices with how you make your vanilla, but it is all bomb diggity.